Hello, my name is Anubhav and I'm Technical Marketing Engineer working for Security Business Group at Cisco Systems. I welcome you to part one of our video series on Cisco Adaptive Security Virtual Appliance on Azure. In this introduction video, I'm going to talk about Cisco ASAv offering for Azure users. We'll also cover licensing and use cases. Cisco ASAv is a well-known firewall. We have physical models available as well as virtual appliances running on hypervisor like KVM, ESXi, and Hyper-V. We have a virtual ASA offering for AWS users also. We have leveraged a similar code base and created a virtual ASA image for users using Azure Cloud. So when you go to Marketplace of Azure, you will find Cisco ASAv image there. And when you spin up your ASAv, you will get 4 interfaces by default. So management 0/0 interface is the interface on which you will get public IP address, and this interface is going to be used for management connectivity. Make sure that on the native security groups of Azure, you allow port 22 and 443 for management connectivity. You can leverage your CLI, which is similar to ASA running on physical appliance or a virtual appliance, or you can use ASDM, as well as if you already have Cisco Security Manager in your environment, you can leverage it and manage this ASAv. When I talk about licensing, you have smart licensing model available, and we support BYOL. So if you need to license your ASA, you just go to your smart portal, generate a token, and add that token onto the virtual appliance running in Azure. In Azure, ASAv maps to D3 instance, which is equivalent to ASAv. Now on the VPN capability side, we have license for 750 peers. So when you install license on ASAv in Azure, you can go up to 750 peers, but your instance will map to ASAv 10. So I'm going to talk about use cases. So this is the use case where we have used ASAv as our edge device. So we have inside subnet, DMZ, and outside. So users from outside will access internal machines via ASA. So you get public IP address on the management 0/0 interface. You can use this firewall for access policies as well as NATing. Second use case is the internal management. For example, you might see requests from customer that they would like to segregate their management traffic. So you can use any free available interface for management. In this example, what we have done is we have provisioned a couple of Linux boxes which has the public IP addresses. Users from outside will gain access to these jump boxes and access this ASA. Whereas your management whereas your the production traffic is still through outside interface. Next use case is site-to-site connectivity. So you can configure LAN-to-LAN tunnel from your corporate data center to your Azure cloud and access internal resources from there. The next use case and widely used use case is remote access VPN. So you can configure remote access VPN on ASA running in AWS. Roaming users will gain access to cloud resources using AnyConnect VPN. We support IKV2, IPsec, and L2TP. The other use case is inter-subnet use case. So you can provision ASA, like in this example, we have DMZ interface. We have on DMZ we have front-end web servers talking to database or storage resources located inside subnet. So ASA can filter, or ASA can control traffic between these two subnets. The next use case is a service chain use case. In this example, if you are using CSRV, your VPNs and your users will terminate on CSRV, and your traffic from CSRV is sent to ASA's outside interface. And based on these security policies, your ASA will allow or drop traffic, and then it is forwarded to any other security appliance. That can be a IPS appliance or a load balancer, and then it is sent to the internal resources. These are a few important links which you can refer to. I'm going to add these reference links to video description. That's it for part 1, and stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching.